What up, YouTube? Tony here, back. We're gonna do a security door. I'm gonna show you how to install a security door. I got my cameraman G on the set. Beautiful piece of plywood, as you can see. Probably too zoomed in, but I'm gonna put on this freaking door right here. With some beautiful, nice hasps, and some self tappers. Shouldn't take long. It's an easy way to make good money. I'm gonna put it this way. Grab the hasp. Since this is a tight little intersection, we're gonna move this over here. Put the hasp over here on this side so we can open the door. Seeing that this is a tight, very tight spot. Okay?
Look at that shirt, man.
Now, if you're doing this shit by yourself, you don't have a helper like I do, very simple. You can either use your foot. I prefer a 2x4 myself. No, I guess I fucked that up. Really? That went right through it? Giving them the toy, G?
Yeah.
See, forgot my other hassle over there. So we come and do the bottom one, just like we did the top. Better to get the corners in first. Alright. Done. Your security door is done. All you need to put is your lock and your hasp. And there you have it, folks. That is another tutorial from T&L Property Management. And thank you to all my YouTuber fans. I have 335 subscribers and counting. It's all thanks to you guys. I am where I am because of you guys, and you guys are going to make it to where I am. All right, safe trips. Tony out.